Hello and welcome to Kanen Coffee Espresso Machines. Today we're testing this beautiful Elektra Microcasa espresso machine, and let's go ahead and pull a shot. Coffee's a little bit too fine for this machine. This machine has a vibratory pump and have the coffee set for a machine with a rotary pump, so we get a little bit more pressure. But still a beautiful shot, and you can see that the sight glass isn't feeling like it was when you were making a shot. And then let's go ahead and test the steam. Nice strong steam. So thank you for pairing with Kanen Coffee. Please like our videos below. If you'd like to see more videos like this, subscribe to our channel. Thank you.